Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on sound on Reddit app. It's very easy and simple. Just open your Reddit application and next find video which you want to watch and listen. As you can see right here in the video is currently playing and there is not audio coming out. What we want to do is just tap on the video and on the lower right side of the video you can see the speaker icon with X symbol. In it all you have to do is just tap it and it will turn on the audio of the video right away, and right now you can hear audio of the video here. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.